Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. My name is Joanne and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Also, let's be friends on Instagram at Shop Luxe and I'll link it down here for you. So today's video is a tag video which was created by Aso Neo, and also I was tagged by Simply Silent, and also I'm gonna be tagging some ladies in the description box, so please do check it out. So this tag video is called the top 3 purchases plus 1 regret purchase of 2020. So let's get started. So I know I have been featuring a lot of bags and SLGs here in my channel. Today I'm gonna be featuring shoes, and more shoes. The first one is this Valentino sandals. I did an unboxing on this and I will link it in the description box, so you could watch it after this video. And this is the Rockstud cork sandals. I really love it. It bumps my height a little bit. And the tan color is just perfect for summer and all my spring outfits. I really love the height and the rock studs. It's really perfect for sundresses and your summer outfits, especially when it's like white linen outfits. I really love these sandals. And for the second one is another Valentino pair. I really love this because it's very classy and simple and very stylish. The heels are not as high. This is just so beautiful and I could wear it with jeans or black pants or for office, like dresses. I really love it. And look at the texture too. Snake skin pattern. It's so pretty. And the third top purchase is the Chanel color block Slingbacks. I really love that it's so simple yet elegant. You can match this with a lot of outfits. It's just so beautiful. This is made with gross grain and this is leather. And there's a little CC here at the bottom. I also did an unboxing on this Chanel Slingbacks, so please watch it. I'm going to put it down in the description box below. Out of all the purchases that I made this year, the Prada Shoes is the one that I would consider as a regret purchase. I really love the style of it because I always want to have white sneakers. It's very simple, it's not flashy, it's low-key. The only thing that I don't like about it is this one, the tongue. It hurts me here right in front of my ankles because it's leather and it's kind of hard. Sometimes I would match this with dresses, but I don't really want to show my socks. So that's the part that I don't like about it. So I'm still looking for a perfect pair of white sneakers that are comfortable for me and worth the money. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!